Welcome to Chilltalk English. Get comfortable and let your English relax a little.
Yes, this is listening practice that feels like a chat with friends. Simple, useful, and real.
Today, we're talking about a place that can make even confident people feel confused.
The airport.
Airports are noisy, busy, and full of signs, lines, and announcements. And the English there can feel very special English.
Like, you don't say, "Hello, I want to go on the plane now." You hear, "Boarding will begin shortly," and you're like, "Wait, what?"
Exactly. And when you feel stressed, your brain forgets easy words.
So, in this episode, we'll follow one traveler through the airport step by step. Check-in, security, finding the gate, boarding, and arriving.
First, we'll do the story as a natural conversation. Just listen for the general meaning. You do not need to understand every word.
Then, we'll explain the key phrases slowly with easy examples you can copy.
Our traveler today is Nora. She's flying alone to Vancouver for the first time.
She's excited and also a little nervous, like most of us.
And we'll play all the voices for you. I'll be Nora sometimes. Emma will be staff sometimes. We'll switch.
Okay, take a breath. Shoulders down, let's go to the airport.
Okay, I'm Nora now. I'm standing near the entrance, looking at my phone, looking at a big map, and pretending I'm totally fine.
I do that too. I walk fast, like I know where I'm going.
I'm reading my ticket email. It says, Flight AC718, Terminal 1, departure 10:40 a.m.
Good. Flight number, terminal, time. That's your main information.
And now I need to find the airline check-in area. I see many signs, but my eyes feel tired already.
So you ask for help. That is smart, not weak.
Excuse me. Hi. Sorry. I'm a bit lost. Where can I check in for Air Canada?
No problem. Air Canada check-in is in Terminal 1. Go straight, then turn right after the coffee shop. You'll see a big red sign that says check-in.
Straight, then right after the coffee shop. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good trip.
I walk fast. I find the red sign. I join the line. The line is long, but at least it's the right line.
Next, please.
Hi, good morning. I'm checking in for my flight to Vancouver. Here's my passport.
Thank you. Let me see. Nora Kim, flight AC718 to Vancouver. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
Great. Are you checking any bags today?
I have one big suitcase, and this backpack is my carry-on.
Perfect. Please put the suitcase on the scale.
Okay, here we go.
It's 24.5 kilos.
Oh no, is that too heavy?
The limit is 23 kilos for this ticket. It's overweight.
Of course it is. My bag always wants a snack before the flight.
It happens a lot. You have two choices. You can pay an overweight fee, or you can move some items into your carry-on bag.
I would like to move some items, please. I don't want to pay the fee if I can avoid it.
No problem. Step to the side and repack. Take your time.
Okay. I open my suitcase. I take out two thick sweaters and one book that weighs about 1,000 kilograms.
Books are secretly heavy.
I put them into my backpack. Now my backpack looks like a small mountain.
Come back when you're ready.
Okay, I'm ready. Please try again.
All right. Now it's 22.9 kilos. Perfect.
Yes, thank you for your patience.
You're welcome. Now, do you want a window seat or an aisle seat?
Window, please, if possible.
Okay, I have 18A. That's a window seat.
Great. Thank you.
Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is D6 and boarding starts at 10:05 a.m.
Gate D6. Boarding at 10:05. Got it.
Security is upstairs. Follow the signs that say departures and security.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Okay, security. This is the part where I forget how to be a human.
You can do it. Just follow the instructions.
I join the security line. A staff member is speaking loudly.
Boarding pass ready, please. Take your laptop out of your bag. Liquids must be in a clear bag.
Okay, laptop out, liquids in a clear bag.
Please remove your jacket and belt. Empty your pockets.
Jacket off, belt off, pockets empty. I suddenly have 12 coins and 3 old receipts. Why?
Place everything in a tray. Phone, keys, coins, everything.
I put my items into trays. My backpack goes on the belt. My shoes go into a tray too.
Step forward. Walk through when the light turns green.
I walk through the scanner. I try to look calm, like a peaceful person who definitely did not eat too many snacks this week.
Excuse me, could you step to the side for a moment?
Oh, is something wrong?
It's okay. Your belt buckle set off the alarm. Quick check.
Oh, sorry. I already removed my belt.
No worries. Please stand here. Arms out.
Arms out.
Okay, you're all set. Thank you.
Thank you. So, can I take my things now?
Yes, your bags are coming through.
I collect my laptop, my backpack, my shoes, my jacket, my pride. Okay, next step. Find gate D6.
Look for the flight information screens.
I see a big screen. I look up my flight. AC718, Vancouver, gate D6, status on time.
Perfect.
I check the time. I have about 45 minutes. My brain says, you deserve a treat.
Your wallet says, at the airport?
Exactly. But I'm hungry. I walk to a small cafe near the gates.
Hi there. What can I get for you?
Hi, can I have a small tea and a cheese sandwich, please?
Sure. That's USD 1180.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you. Here's your tea and sandwich. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Now, while Nora eats, let's add something realistic. Gates sometimes change.
Yes, airports love surprises.
Nora finishes her sandwich and checks the screen again.
I look up and, oh no, my gate changed. It now says gate E2.
That happens. The key is check the screen again, not only your boarding pass.
I feel a small panic in my chest, but I talk to myself quietly. Okay, Nora, it's fine. Just walk.
And you can ask someone.
Excuse me. Hi, my flight changed to gate E2. Is E2 far from here?
Let me see. Gate E2 is about a 10-minute walk. Go straight, then follow the signs for E-gates. You'll pass a duty-free shop, then take the escalator up.
Straight, follow E-gates, past duty-free, escalator up. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I walk. I follow the signs. I arrive at E2. I sit down. I made it.
Now it's boarding time.
I hear an announcement.
Attention passengers on flight AC718 to Vancouver. Boarding will begin in a few minutes. Please have your boarding pass and passport ready.
People stand up fast, like it's a race.
It's always like that, even if the plane is not ready yet.
The line starts moving.
Hello, boarding pass and passport, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. You are in Group 3. Please board when Group 3 is called.
Okay, Group 3. I can do that. I will not fight for my seat.
Group 1 may board now. Group 2 may board now. Group 3 may board now.
That's me. I walk down the long hallway to the plane.
Welcome aboard.
Thank you.
Please place your carry-on bag in the overhead bin or under the seat in front of you.
I find row 18. I see 18A, the window seat.
And here's a very normal little problem.
Someone is sitting in my seat.
Oh no.
Excuse me, I think this is my seat. I'm in 18A.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm in 18C. Wrong row.
No problem.
Let me move.
Thank you.
And now the overhead bins are full.
I try to lift my backpack up, but it's heavy.
A flight attendant helps.
Excuse me, could you help me put this bag up there?
Of course. I've got it.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Have a great flight.
I sit down. I look out the window. My heart feels calmer now.
And then a friendly seat neighbor speaks to you. Not too friendly, just normal friendly.
Hi, are you going to Vancouver too?
Yes, I am. I'm visiting my sister.
Nice. This is my first time going there. I'm excited, but I'm also a little anxious.
I understand. First solo trip?
Yes, and airports make me feel like I'm doing a test.
Same, but you're doing great. You asked questions, you followed signs, you checked the screen again. That's exactly what experienced travelers do.
That's good to hear.
And in Vancouver, if you're not sure, just say, "Sorry, can you help me?" People are usually kind.
I hope so. My English is okay, but when I'm nervous, I speak too fast and I make mistakes.
Mistakes are normal. If you forget a word, use simple words like the thing or the place, or ask, "How do you say this in English?"
That's a good tip.
Also, keep your first day simple. Eat something, walk around, and rest. You don't need to do everything in one day.
Thank you. That makes me feel better.
You're welcome. And hey, window seat is the best.
It really is.
The flight happens, time passes, and finally you land.
I hear the announcement.
Welcome to Vancouver. Local time is 1:20 p.m. Please take all your personal belongings. Thank you for flying with us.
I stand up. I take my backpack. I follow the crowd.
Now you look for two important things: baggage claim and passport control.
I follow the signs for arrivals and baggage claim.
You arrive at a big room with carousels.
I look at the screen. Flight AC 718. Carousel 9.
You wait.
The carousel starts moving. Bags come out. Black bags, blue bags, a pink bag with a big sticker. And then I see mine, a gray suitcase with a green ribbon.
Great. Now passport control.
I stand in line. I reach the officer.
Next, please. Hello. Passport, please.
Hello, here you go.
What is the purpose of your visit?
Vacation. I'm here to travel and visit the city.
How long will you stay in Canada?
10 days.
Where will you stay?
In a hotel downtown. I have the address on my phone if you need it.
That's fine. Do you have anything to declare? Food, large amounts of cash, or items for sale?
No, nothing to declare. Just personal items.
All right. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you.
And just like that, Nora exits the airport. She did it.
She did it. And you can too.
Now let's break down the most useful airport English from the story in a very simple way.
First, flight number. That's like AC 718. It's the name of your flight in the airport system.
You can say, I'm on flight AC 718, or where is the check-in desk for flight 718?
Next, terminal. A terminal is a building at the airport. Big airports have Terminal 1, Terminal 2, and so on.
If you go to the wrong terminal, you waste time, so always check, which terminal am I flying from?
Next, check in. To check in means you tell the airline you are here, you show your passport, and you get your boarding pass.
Useful line, Hi, I'm checking in for my flight to Vancouver.
Boarding pass. That is your pass to get on the plane. It shows your seat, gate, and boarding time.
And gate is the place where you board the plane, like D6 or E2.
Notice, gates can change. So you can say, excuse me, has the gate changed? Or, I'm looking for gate E2.
Now, checked bag and carry-on. A checked bag goes under the plane, a carry-on goes with you.
The scale moment is very real. Weight limit means the maximum weight. Overweight means too heavy.
You can say, is it overweight? Or, can I repack my bag?
Security English is also important. Take your laptop out. Liquids in a clear bag. Empty your pockets.
If you don't understand, you can ask, sorry, what should I do with my phone? Simple is fine.
On the plane, overhead bin is the space above your seat for bags.
And window seat versus aisle seat. Window is next to the window, aisle is next to the walking space.
If someone is in your seat, stay calm and say, excuse me, I think you're in my seat. I'm in 18A.
I'm here for vacation. I'll stay for 10 days.
Nice, simple, real. And if you can say these lines, you can survive most airports.
And you'll feel calmer because you'll know what to expect.
Thanks for spending time with us on Chilltalk English.
If you want more episodes like this, travel, daily life, work life, come back and practice with us again.
Until next time, take care.
And good luck on your next trip.